So what's up, guys? So in this video we are going to be showing us how to send USDT crypto from Gate.io to your Hotbit. All right, so I've actually signed into my Hotbit account and my Gate.io account. I'm already signed in. If you have not registered on Gate.io, the link to register is in the description. Also, the link to register HOTBIT Exchange is in the description also. So what I need to do on my Hotbit is to do what? Come to wallets and click on what? Deposit. Why I'm clicking on deposit is because I'm sending in funds into my Hotbit account. All right, so supposing I want to send out funds out of my Hotbit, I'll hit on what? Withdrawal. So this is a kind of warning, so I hit no more this for today. I know. Then I head down straight to what? Copy my address. But before then, you notice that if you want to send crypto between exchanges without any fees, it is advisable to use the Tron network. I noticed that the Tron network has been selected here by default. So there are a whole lot of blockchains here. Right, so you have FTM, Omni, So, Heco, but the Tron network is the most advisable. So you hit on what? Copy. All right, make sure you hit on copy, or you just select this guy and copy it as the case may be. So let us jump straight to Gate.io and send our crypto to that particular wallet address we just copied. So at the top of your web interface on your Gate.io, head straight to what? Withdrawals. All right, so in withdrawals, it will bring you to an interface where you now enter the wallet address of your Hotbit. All right, so it says what? So withdrawals by the address, gate code, push transactions. So we made videos on how to actually use gate code to make transactions and to use the push transaction. Go ahead to watch the video up there now. So Gate.io is generous enough to actually also tell you that the Tron network transaction is free. All right, so there's no network fee for transferring crypto between exchanges using the Tron network. So I select the Tron network. Make sure you select the right crypto. Don't go and select USDT in the other exchange, which in this case is the Hotbit, and come here and select BNB or any other exchange. All right, so make sure you select the right crypto. So you have available here, so you cannot send out more than what you have. So you have daily withdrawal, and you now go ahead to enter the address there. So I'm just gonna paste it, or I hit on what? Add, then I do what? Paste. All right, so after you pasted the address, you now have address description. So this one is optional. You must not necessarily add any description. So you have minimum withdrawal of 50 USDT. So I'll just put in 50 USDT. All right, so you have the commission is 0. So I just have to impute all this right away, and I'll be back in a jiffy. All right, so after we finish entering those details and clicking send, there's a confirmation we have to carry out, and it brings up confirm. So I quickly hit on what? Confirm, and it should bring up this little verification. So a whole lot of verification that you have to complete. So I just drag that slider up to match that guy, and you say verification success, and it should transfer my 50 USDT from Gate.io to Hotbit Exchange. All right, your request has been sent successfully. So our assets should reflect on our Hotbit account in no time. So let us check our Hotbit account, and if it involves us pausing this video to resume it back when the funds gets here, then we'll have to do that. All right, if you notice, there's nothing here. The USDT that we have right now is 1.9. So eventually, if it comes, since there are no fees, it should get to 51.9, hopefully. All right, so we'll just wait for it. So if you scroll down to the interface, you should notice this section that says what? The order is still being processed. Is that all right? So this section is showing USDT recent withdrawals. So the order is still being processed. So if you click here at this time, you can actually cancel the order. This is the status that shows that they are still processing the order. So this is the quantity of the USDT you withdraw, and this is to the address. So all these details have been put in place just for you. So let's see whether our asset is now in Hotbit. So let us refresh once again to see if it is there. And here we have it. As you can see, our asset is live and direct sent successfully from our Gateio to our Hotbit account. It's very simple process. If not for the sake of recording, you can actually complete this process within 2-3 minutes, 5 minutes max. All right, hope you got value in this video. One way to support this channel is by smashing that subscribe button right away. If you want to get started with Gate.io, the link to register is on the description box. If you want to get started with Hotbit, the link to register is in the description box. Go ahead to register right away. Remember to do one thing always: trade responsibly. Peace out.